We have an event coming up on August 11th. It is happening at the Eagle Theater just down the block here from the Sacramento History Museum. It is an evening with Mark Twain. Now, Mark Twain is probably one of the most well-known authors of the mid to late 1800s. Now, why here in Sacramento? Well, Mark Twain was actually here in Sacramento in the 1860s. He actually nicknamed Sacramento the city of saloons. You could walk into any establishment and order a drink. He was a reporter for the Sacramento Daily Union. And we have here a photo engraving of Mark Twain and some text set in 60-point Caslon. And we're thinking about giving away this print and some others for those that attend that event. So, sign up today for Mark Twain on the River. Press the red button, Howard.